perseverance, to achieve perfection. Trimans from NuGEN Machineries Ltd. Redefining perfection since last 4 decades.
Located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India, NuGEN Machineries Ltd. is I.S.O. certified manufacturer. Apart from 2,000+ installations in India, Trimans hydraulic press brakes and hydraulic shears from NuGEN Machineries Ltd. have also been exported to Malaysia, Singapore, Turkmenistan, Kuwait, Tanzania, Bahrain, Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, South Africa, Sultanate of Oman, Qatar, Ethiopia, Jordan, Ghana, Zimbabwe, Europe, and the United States of America.
Trimans CNC synchro hydraulic press brakes are highly customizable, extremely productive, and offer ultimate precision and accuracy, as they use modern computer technology. A trained operator can interact with the controller and provide technical data inputs like bending sequence, bending angle, plate or sheet thickness, material length or width, etc.
NuGEN Machineries Ltd. offers Trimans CNC synchro hydraulic press brakes with 3-axis Y1, Y2, X alphanumeric controller from Europe, advanced German hydraulics, CNC back gauge, and standard set of hardened and ground tooling from Italy.
The hydraulic systems are specially designed for press brakes, with closed-loop controlled proportional valves, for seamless synchronization and pressure control. The compact manifold block eliminates the leakage chances. Trimans CNC synchro hydraulic press brakes from NuGEN Machineries Ltd. feature 2 front-mounted hydraulic cylinders. The tough, robust, and strong welded structure is made out of I.S.O. 2062 silicon-killed and ultrasonically tested steel plates to withstand continuous stress and strain under full load at minimum deflection.
Trimans numerically controlled hydraulic press brakes are equipped with renowned European make, Cyberlic touchscreen controller, servo motor, servo drive, high-precision magnetic linear scale and ball screws. The controller memorizes 50 punches, 50 dies, 200 programs, 24 sequences per program, and 10 materials. Trimans numerically controlled hydraulic press brakes are equipped with programmable NC back gauge with variable speed, fitted with 2-axis NC controller, Y-axis for depth and angle control, and X-axis for back gauge positioning. Hydraulic press brakes are the machines used for bending metal sheets and metal plates. Bending force required in this process determines the values of machine capacity and tonnage. This depends entirely on the material thickness, material length, type of job work, type of metal, and its ultimate tensile strength. NuGEN Machineries Ltd. offers Trimans conventional hydraulic press brakes. 2 rear-mounted hydraulic cylinders are synchronized by an unique hydro-mechanical design that ensures uniform bending tonnage through linkages, offering distinct advantages of overload protection. Longer strokes enable use of wider combination of tooling and versatile operations. Emergency switch is provided to reduce chances of accidents and to avoid job rejections. Trimans conventional hydraulic press brakes are offered with OSHA workstation for selection of auto, inch, and single cycle mode of operations, along with foot switches, sheet supports, manual back gauge, multi-way die and standard punch, and centralized lubrication system with hand pump.
The back gauge is monitored by the numerically controlled and computerized touch controllers. In Trimans numerically controlled and CNC synchro variants of hydraulic press brakes respectively. Trimans hydraulic press brakes manufactured by NuGEN Machineries Ltd. Bend sheet metal by lowering a punch into sheet metal positioned on top of a die. Bending a sheet metal or a metal plate requires a very high force. Here, hydraulic pumps convert mechanical energy into pressure energy required to drive the hydraulic system. Hydraulic cylinders of press brakes convert this hydraulic pressure into kinetic energy, to propel the ram downwards.
The NuGEN signature frame is a high-strength welded structure, crafted and engineered with IS 2062 silicon killed, and ultrasonically tested steel plates, which is mainly composed of left and right side plates, and the table bed. Trimans hydraulic press brakes are very powerful, and offer unbeatable flexibility, as they can bend materials like mild steel, stainless steel, aluminium, copper, CRC sheet, GPSP, galvanized iron, etc.
Hydraulic shear is a machine that uses hydraulic system and blades to cut a workpiece. Trimans variable rake angle hydraulic shears operate with a variable rake angle system, where the operator has the ability to adjust the rake angle. A higher rake angle for shearing thick metals, while switching to a low rake angle when cutting thinner materials. Advanced hydraulic system and numerically controlled back gauge enhance the efficiency, accuracy, and precision.
When you purchase a Trimans fixed rake angle hydraulic shear, the angle stays set, or is fixed, as per the predetermined settings. Engineers and tech experts at NuGEN Machineries Ltd. calculate the exact angle required to provide superior shear quality for the range of material thickness and material length provided by you.
Hydraulic system pumps hydraulic oil to exert pressure on the shearing blade mounted on the upper ram. The objective of metal shearing is achieved with an adjustable, variable, or a fixed blade gap, also known as rake angle, between the dynamic upper blade and a static lower blade, applying shearing force on the metal sheets and metal plates intended to cut.
Blazing fast performance, low noise of operation, unmatched precision, unbeatable durability and longevity are hallmarks of Trimans hydraulic shears, manufactured by NuGEN Machineries Ltd. since 1982.
NuGEN machines are built considering the performance of machines for decades, not for years. Our esteemed customers are using our machines without any major maintenance issues since last 2 decades. RSS, or the rear sheet support, allows to effortlessly move the cut workpieces, as per the requirements. The transfer bars or transfer balls smoothen the process by offering maximum resistance against friction. Numerical controllers ensure that the desired cuts are achieved effortlessly. Trimans hydraulic shears, from NuGEN Machineries Ltd., are offered with highly reliable and long-lasting electric control panel, branded components, advanced circuits and wiring that ensure utmost productivity.
NuGEN signature robust structure, hydraulic cylinders, and hydraulic power packs assure years of trouble-free operation. Hydraulic cylinder with imported sealing elements, duly honed tubes, and hard chrome plate rods offer very long service life.
Passionately crafted, devotedly engineered. We prioritize longevity, accuracy, precision, and performance. NuGEN Machineries Ltd. has the distinction of pioneering and introducing the rear cylinder hydraulic press brakes in India in the year 1984, which revolutionized the Indian press brake technology from mechanical to hydraulic. Trimans hydraulic press brakes and hydraulic shears, from NuGEN Machineries Ltd. bends effortlessly, cuts accurately.
Machines we manufacture: Trimans conventional hydraulic press brakes, numerically controlled hydraulic press brakes, CNC synchro hydraulic press brakes, fixed rake angle hydraulic shears, variable rake angle NC hydraulic shears, extra edge hydraulic shears, and other sheet metal machineries.
NuGEN Machineries Ltd. Dedicated to creating better technology, to ensure better results. NuGEN Machineries Ltd. Innovation. Perfection. Reliability.